Sure, let's talk about it. So, in today's conversation, I want to talk to you about 10 rare credit cards from credit unions with high limits, dirt cheap APRs, and low or fair FICO approvals. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation. I guarantee it. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous. If you already ask me, if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's convo, I want to share with you 10 rare credit cards from credit unions with high limits, dirt cheap APRs, and low or fair FICO approvals. One thing I want to say here is that right off the bat, all 10 credit cards in today's show are unsecured cards, and all 10 credit unions we will be talking about do accept every applicant, regardless of where they live, work, or worship. Also, you can still qualify even if you have no relative who's already a member of the credit union. So to choose the best credit card from a credit union with a high limit, dirt cheap APR, and low or fair FICO approval, you need to actually do 4 quintessential things, okay? First thing is you need to check your credit. Very important. And I don't care where you get it. You can either get it for free at the annualcreditreport.com. This is a federally authorized site. You can go to websites such as Credit Karma, Wallet Hub, or NerdWallet to have free access to your credit score. The only thing is you have to sort of give them your personal information, and they might try to sell you other stuff later on, but this is just part of the game, right? And you also have a lot of credit card issuers also give cardholders free FICO scores every month. For example, Discover Card. So that's the first thing. First thing, you need to check your credit score. Very important. The second thing you need to do is to identify which type of credit card you need, right? Because depending on your credit score, you might want to zero in on cards that really fit your credit profile. Do you want to save money on interest? Do you want to earn rewards? Do you want to improve your credit when it's limited or damaged? Number 3, you want to narrow your choices by asking the right questions. So when it comes to credit unions, you want to talk to someone. You want to go to a branch. You want to sit with someone. You want to speak with someone on the phone, whatever it is. You want to have a conversation. So you ask the right questions and make sure that the credit card you're getting or you're applying for is the card for you. And the fourth element is that you want to actually apply for the card that offers you the highest overall value, right? So if you identify what really matters to you, you'll be able to find out exactly what kind of card you need, okay? So before we get into the actual rankings, please check out this short video. It tells you about the rigorous method we have in place to choose, to evaluate, to assess all the credit cards we categorize on this show. Check this out. All right, now let's talk about the 10 rare credit cards from credit unions with high limits that accept people with poor or fair credit. Number 10, we have Highway, and the card is the Highway Visa Signature Cash Rewards Credit Card. Our score, 7/10. The FICO here, the minimum FICO here is 525. The APR, 1061% to 23.99%. The maximum limit is $5,000. And they do not accept co-applicants for this card, okay? And the card is kind of cool if you want cash rewards, okay? You have 1% cashback bonus paid quarterly on all purchases, and this is kind of cool. And we also love the fact that they give you a welcome bonus of $50 statement credit with $1,000 in net purchases in the first 90 days. As you can see on the screen here, you can actually qualify for membership. You can see on the screen where it says if you want to apply. You can see here that you can apply if you are a member of the Association of the U.S. Army. So if you don't live in Minnesota or you don't have any geographical or family relationship with this credit union, you can still qualify, okay? So the easiest way to qualify for membership is through the Association of the U.S. Army, AUSA. You can see on the screen here. Number 9, folks, we have Credit Human. And the card is Credit Human Rewards Preferred MasterCard. Our score, 7.5 over 10. Here, the FICO they want, the minimum FICO they want is 550. The APR will oscillate from 9.65% to 18%. The maximum limit is $35,000, and they do accept co-applicants, so this is pretty good. And this is a card that allows you to earn points or cash back. And the Rewards Preferred MasterCard delivers great rates and great rewards, so this is kind of cool. And balance transfer rates can go all the way to a 590% APR. There's no annual or balance transfer fee. That's fantastic. We love that. And you have bonus points or cashback rewards in terms of as part of your card's benefits. Okay, and you have extended warranty on purchases, price protection, and identity theft resolution services. Fantastic card. And you can see here, how do you join? So you can see on the screen right now, it says additional eligibility. If none of the above applies to you, you may be eligible to join Credit Human through the American Consumer Council, the ACC, if you live in the United States. Okay, so very easy. If you don't qualify through geography, biology, or your job, you can just join by becoming a member of the ACC. You probably give them like a $5 donation, and then you're in. Number 8, folks, we have here NASA FCU, and the card is NASA FCU Get Cashback. Our score, 8 over 10. The minimum FICO here is 550. The APR will oscillate between 13.24% and 25.99%. Pretty good, pretty decent. And the maximum limit on this card is $30,000. Co-applicant is allowed. Okay, so with this card, you can earn 1.5 cash back on every purchase you make. You can use your card, your cashback benefits to make deposits, pay down balances, or redeem gift cards. This is totally your choice. There are no extra fees, no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, and no foreign transaction fee. This is fantastic, okay? This is wonderful. And in terms of eligibility to join this credit union, if you have an affiliation with NASA, you're in. But even if you don't, you can still get into this credit union. You can see on the screen here, I'm showing you, it says pretty clearly on their website, if none of the above apply to you, we will provide a complimentary 1-year affiliated membership to the National Space Society, which entitles you to full NASA federal membership benefits. Okay, so all you have to do is just to be affiliated with the NSS, the National Space Society, to get this card. Number 7, folks, we have the SDCCU. This is the San Diego County Credit Union, and the card is SDCCU Visa Signature. Our score, 8.5 over 10. Here, the FICO, the minimum FICO is 590, and the APR will fluctuate from 12.99% to 22.99%. The maximum limit is $45,000, and co-applicants allowed, yes. So this is pretty good. And you can earn a one-time 10,000 point bonus when you spend $3,000 on net purchases within the first 90 days after enrollment, and you can earn unlimited 2 signature rewards points per dollar spent on net purchases, redeemable for event tickets, gift cards, travel, merchandise. There are no foreign transaction fees. Okay, this is fantastic. And you have a 24-hour signature concierge. This concierge services. And to join, very simple. You can see on the screen here, if you have no affiliation, let's say you don't qualify for it, you don't live in San Diego County, or you don't have no profession or no no family relationship with this credit union, you can still get in. You can see on the screen here, it says on the website, you just need to join the Financial Fitness Association for a low $8 fee. And we're showing you also the snapshot of the Financial Fitness Association. This is a great association, by the way. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Security Kiwi Show. We are also having a conversation today about 10 rare credit cards from credit unions with high limits, dirt cheap APRs, and low or fair FICO approvals. So we are now talking about, we are on number 6. Number 6 we have here, Genesis. And the card that I want to show you is called the Genesis Credit Rewards MasterCard. Our score, 8.5 over 10. Here the minimum FICO is 575. The APR will oscillate from 10.24% to 24.24%. The maximum limit here is $50,000, and the co-applicants approve yes. So this is pretty cool. And what are the features here? There's no annual fee. You have a 28-day interest-free grace period. Fantastic. You have online and mobile account access, worldwide acceptance, and you have a $500,000 travel accident insurance. Okay. And how do you actually join? And I also want to say something that Genesis Rewards Credit MasterCard holders are automatically enrolled, and it's free. So they are enrolled in the MasterCard Double Play Rewards. Okay. And how do you join? You can see on the screen here, it says very clearly on Genesis website that it is open to anyone. No restrictions, no restriction based on geography, profession, or family. Okay, you don't have to live in Michigan, in Minnesota, or Pennsylvania, which are the I would say the primary zone, the primary coverage area of this credit union. Even if you don't live in those areas, you can still qualify. And one thing I also want to show you here is that you can see that you can actually qualify if you donate. Showing you on the screen here, you have what they call contribution eligibility. So if you contribute to the Arthritis Foundation or the Paint Creek Center for the Arts, you're in. So this is pretty good. So either the Arthritis Foundation or the PCCA, all right? So because they have they have 3 tiers of eligibility: location eligibility, family eligibility, or contribution eligibility. Number 5, folks, we have Unify, and the credit card is called the Unify Visa Platinum. Our score, 9 over 10. Minimum FICO here, 550. APR, 949 to 17.49%. The maximum limit is $50,000, and they do accept co-applicants. And here, the cool thing here is that the rates are, you have fixed and variable. It depends on the card that you get. You can get a fixed rate Visa credit cards or a variable rate Visa credit card. So Unify gives you some kind of flexibility. There are no cash advance fees. This is pretty good. We love that. No balance transfer fees. Okay, and this is kind of cool. And we'll also love the fact that they have a special introductory and balance transfer rate that offers an APR as low as 5.49%. And to join, you can see on the screen here, it says that the membership is open to anyone. No restriction based on geography, profession, or family. Okay, all you need is to have a social security number or a tax identification number, a current government issued photo ID, state ID, or driver's license. You need to fund your new Unify account, and you need to provide a bank writing account number or a valid credit card or debit card, and you must be a U.S. citizen or permanent U.S. resident to apply. Number 4, folks, we have Langley, and the credit card is called Langley FCU Platinum Select Visa. Our score, 9 over 10. And the minimum FICO here is 535. The APR will oscillate from 7% to 19.99%. The maximum limit is $75,000, and there is no co-applicants allowed. And the Platinum Visa, the Platinum Select Visa, offers you the lowest credit card rate available at Langley. It's a great choice if you maintain a balance each month, and you can enjoy a low rate on all of your purchases. So we love that. We also love the fact that you can actually, they have an introductory offer, so you can save on interest with a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 12 months within the first 60 days of account opening. And you can earn a $50 statement credit when you spend $1,000 within 90 days of account opening. Fantastic card, okay? And how do you join? You can see on the screen here, folks. Basically, membership is open to anyone, no restriction based on geography, profession, or family. And if you live in the area, if you live in the vicinity where Langley is located, you can have an instant issue of the card by visiting a branch. Number 3, folks, we have First Tech. And the credit card is called the First Tech Platinum Rewards MasterCard. Our score, 9.5 over 10. The minimum FICO here is 550. APR 7.99% to 18%. Maximum limit $75,000. Co-applicants are allowed. And you can even get an introductory 0% APR balance transfer for 12 billing cycles. This is really good. You can earn rewards points for every dollar spent. Keep more money in your pocket with low rates and no annual fee. You can redeem your rewards point for travel, merchandise, and charitable donations. Fantastic. No annual fee. Wonderful. All right. And one thing I want to say here is that you can earn 10,000 rewards points when you spend 2,000 in the first 60 days. How do you join this credit union? Very simple. You can see on the screen here. They say if you don't qualify through geography, I would say biology or profession, you just need to belong to the Computer History Museum or the Financial Fitness Association. You can see on the screen it's written, it's pretty clear, okay? So just choose one of those two organizations, just make a $5 or $10 donation, and you should be good with the First Step Credit Union. Number 2, folks, we have here Randolph Brooks FCU. And the card is the Randolph Brooks FCU's 2% cashback rewards. Our score, 9.5 over 10. The minimum FICO here is 560. The APR will oscillate from 5.99% to 19.99%. The maximum credit limit here is $85,000. Co-applicants are allowed, okay? And this is, so the MasterCard credit cards from RBFCUs are great. So whether you want to pay off other high interest credit cards, need flexibility for purchases, or just looking for valuable rewards, there is an RBFCU MasterCard that's right for you, okay? So you can earn unlimited cashback on all purchases. And this card, based on our analysis, is great for maximizing accrual and flexible redemption options combined with a great rate, okay? So the card offers 0% intro APR, $0 balance transfer fee, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, $0 fraud liability on unauthorized purchases, and $1 million in travel accident insurance. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. I love it. And how do you actually join this credit union? You can see on the screen here, it says, not eligible for free membership. You can become a mission supportive member by paying a one-time $5 fee to join our Center for Community Self-Help. You can see this on the screen. It's written. So if you don't qualify through biology, profession, or geography, you can still qualify for this credit union and this card. Number 1, folks, the best of the best. In our view, when it comes to 10 rare credit cards from credit unions with high limits, dirt cheap APRs, and low or fair FICO approvals, we have here BECU, Boeing Employees Credit Union. Our score, and the credit card is called the BECU Visa. Our score, 10 over 10. Minimum FICO here, 580. The APR will fluctuate from 7.99% to 19.99%. The maximum limit here is $100,000, okay? And we have here co-applicants are allowed, okay? And this card has no annual fee. That's wonderful. 0% intro APR for 12 months on both purchases and balance transfers for new card holders. And so this is kind of cool. And no balance transfer fees, no cash advance fees, no foreign transaction fees, and other travel abroad perks. This is really good. We love that. And so the one thing I want to say here is that if to join BECU is very easy. So you can see on the screen here, we have the membership page. You can see it here. If you're interested, we will also have the link. You can just go there, and you can see on the second screenshot, okay, again here. So they're asking you, do you live in Washington State or Oregon or Idaho counties? Do you work for BECU, Boeing, or credit union? Are you associated with some foundations? Are you a business owner? So you will find a way to qualify. If you don't qualify for anything, please, the simplest way is, as you can see on the screen here, it says KEXP donor, member, employee, volunteer, or retiree. So the thing here is that there is a foundation called KEXP, an organization, and all you have to do, the easiest way is to donate to KEXP. Okay, and we're showing you also KEXP on the screen here. Donate $5 and you're in. You should be in. Thank you so much, folks. So this is here is a recap. So I was talking to you about 10 rare credit cards from credit unions with high limits, dirt cheap APRs, and low or fair FICO approvals. So we have number 1, BECU Visa, 10 over 10. Number 2, we have the Randolph Brooks FCU 2% cashback rewards, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have the First Tech Platinum Rewards MasterCard, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have Langley FCU Platinum Select Visa, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have Unified Visa Platinum, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have Genesis Credit Rewards MasterCard, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have SDCCU Visa Signature, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have NASA FCU Get Cashback, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have a Credit Human Rewards Preferred MasterCard, 7.5 over 10. And number 10, we have Highway Visa Signature Cash Rewards Credit Card. Our score, 7 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.